let me tell you guys what really happened here. You see this bullying that we went to go and play on Cinema City. Oh God, my husband and my brother, they will never make heaven. I swear to God. Because why? This bullying that we were playing, I was leading, I was winning until Luca and Bright get jealous. Hell tailor, those two people na case. They were jealous. Bright and I be the loser. Bright lose. Oh God. Me, I was playing, I was winning. And Joy was playing, she was losing. Later, Joy started winning. So Bright and Luca started distracting our game because they does not want us to win. If you see these people for street, make una flog them. Their need came flogging. Really, Luca and Bright never put them together. They plan every bit of work. If I want play the ball, Bright will hold me or Luca will hold me. They will try every miss to distract me. That is how I lose this game. You see, I will never forgive these two people. I swear to God. But this game sweet. I like bullying. I like it. They sweet me for body. Anytime that I'm going to Cinema City to go and play it. This is my favorite game ever. But it was really nice. Luca lose, Bright lose. Bright was the last person that will even lose 0-0. It is Joy that finally win us. Then later they now left us. They now went to go and play. That is Sloka. I don't know in English language. In Italian we call it Tavolo Verde. Then me with Luca continued the game. Although I did not film that part, we continued the game, playing the game because this is one of my favorite games. You know, I really have fun with my husband, my siblings. It was so sweet playing this game. We really have fun. We really destroy everywhere. If I tell Luna, if I told you guys what we did, just that the camera was not always on. If I tell you what we really did on this game, to the extent we even block the game session. We blocked the game session, really, just to catch cruise, having fun, doing crazy stuff. Look at my husband and Bright. They now come to the no, I don't even know, Tavolo Verde, to come and play Tavolo Verde. I don't really know who wins here because this is not my favorite game. I even went, I was filming them then. I was still filming the part of Joy, which is the video will still be coming out soon. Filming part where Joy was playing our own game too. You see that part where Joy went to go and play that game. I don't even know the name of the game. It makes me laugh. You guys will laugh. Look at my beautiful princess.